First day of being hitman. First day of being hitman. I'm sure to get that. Oh. Yes. Oh. Right. Let me go into the scope. Oh. I think I ran out of ammo. What am I gonna do? Oh! Eat this fish.
Excuse me? Talk to you, fish.
What the? The bro just went fine.
Baby, you back.
Oh, finally my target. Dang it. Wait, is this another gun?
Hey, bro, do you know what I'm flying just using this?
I'm orange's friend. The one in it. What?
I finally got my other target. I'm much better. Now I'm going to get some more food.
Yeah, where the hell is Orange?
Now, let's beam over there. No, time.
Hey, bro, there's four of us on the server right now. Can I have one, please?
No, like, I need a...
I don't know how you're alive, but